Good morning. I'm Gksr from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering and SVCE Bangalore, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I'm going to explain this subject Python application programming having subject code of 18EC646. I'm going to explain uh, what is mean by Python and what are the applications of Python and what are the uses of Python in this presentation. First of all, I need to explain what is mean by Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic schematics. As we all know that the Python is an interpreted and object-oriented, high-level programming language with dramatic sequences. It's high-level built-in data structures combined with data typing and data binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well for use as a scripted or glue language to connect existing components together. This is the explanation for what is mean by Python. What is Python? And then moving on to the next slide, we are going to see the applications of Python. What are the Python applications? The results are here that some of the Python applications are web applications, desktop GUI applications, console-based applications, software development, scientific and numeric business applications, audio or video-based applications, 3D CAD applications, enterprise applications, image processing applications. These are all some basic applications of Python programming. In detail, we will see in the next slide about these Python applications. These are all just some basic applications. There are many more applications regarding this Python programming. As time is not sufficient, we can't discuss all those. We can discuss some of these applications in this programming, in this presentation. Moving on to the next slide. Uh, this is the web application. It is one of the application for Python programming, web applications. You can use Python to develop web applications. It provides libraries to handle internet protocols such as HTML and XML, JSON, email processing, request, beautiful soap, feed processor, etc. Uh, this Python programming, what is there? No, it will develop web applications. There are many more web applications nowadays. The web applications are improving rapidly today. Python plays a major role in developing these applications. One of the web framework named Diagno is used on Instagram. Python provides many useful frameworks, and these are all given below. Python, one of the Python itself provides many useful frameworks. There are three examples given here. The on pyramid framework for heavy applications, like non pyramid framework is used. Flask and bottle. This is also a framework by Python applications. It is used for micro framework. It is not used for heavy applications, but it is for intermediate. Means yeah, phone and diagnose CMS, advanced content management. Uh, these are all some basic frameworks in the Python programming web applications. Hope you understood this web applications concept. Moving on to the next slide, we have desktop GUI applications. This is also in one of the um, application for Python programming. That one second, sorry. The GUI stands for graphical user interface. It is in the sense the graphical user interface application. This is which provides an smooth interaction to any application. Python provides a TK GUI library to develop a user interface. Some popular GUI libraries are given below. Uh, the concept of GUI application is given here, that GUI stands for graphical user interface. Python provides a TK GUI library to develop an user interface. Um, hope you understand that Python provides TK GUI library to develop an user interface. In order to develop an user interface, Python provides a library uh, named TK-GUI. Some of the popular GUI libraries are given below. TK Inter or TK, both are same. WX-widget-M, Kiwi, used for writing multi-touch applications. Mm, P-side. These are all some basic GUI applications in Python programming. Moving on to the next slide, we have software development. Python is used for software development purpose also. As we all know that one of the major application for Python programming is software development. It works as a support language and can be used to build, control and management testing, etc. Uh, Nowadays, we all know that the mm, software development is rapidly increasing. The 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 program which is used in the software is Python. It works as a supporting language. Yeah, it is one of the major supporting language in software development process. Mm, Scons is used to build control. Buildbot and Apache Gums are used for automatic continuous compilation and testing. Run and track for bug tracking and project management. These are all management and testing features. Means these are all components which are used for this software development nowadays. Hope you understood. These are all some basic software Python applications given below. We discussed as of now GUI applications, web development, software development. These are all some basic applications for Python. Hope you have understood. We have discussed about what is mean by Python and some applications like web development, GUI, uh, graphic user interface, and some software development as of now. Moving on to the next slide, we will discuss about what is mean by what are the uses of Python. Um, uh, we will discuss in the next slide. What is Python used for? Clearly, Python is a popular and in-demand skill to learn. But what is Python programming used for? Uh, hope you are getting my point, that clearly Python is a popular and in-demand skill to learn. But what is Python used for? We have already briefly touched on some of the areas it can be applied to, and we have expanded on these and more Python examples below. Python can be used for AI machine learning. AI. We all know that artificial intelligence is rapidly growing nowadays. This is the supporting language for the AI is Python. Data analysis is also uh, going on in a right way nowadays, and the main supporting language is Python. Data visualization, programming application, web development. These are all the uh, these are all the places where Python is used. These are all some places where the PPT is extended. That's why I didn't mention many more. These are all some of the uh, uses of Python. Hope you enjoyed this slide, and then I'm so grateful in presenting in front of you. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.